In this guide, we'll furnish a comprehensive guide on how to restore contacts from Google. Way 1. How to restore deleted contacts from Google account trash. When you accidentally delete Google contacts, the first step is to check whether they have been moved to the trash. Restoring deleted contacts from Google account trash is a straightforward process. Step 1. Go to Google Contacts and log into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Step 2. On the left side of the page, select Trash from the menu. Step 3. In the trash, you'll see a list of contacts that have been deleted. You can select the contacts you want to restore individually by clicking on the checkbox next to each contact. Step 4. After selecting the contacts, click on the Restore button at the top. This will move the selected contacts back to your main contact list. Way 2. How to restore Google Contacts using Undo Changes. Google Contacts Undo Changes allows you to revert any changes to your contacts to any state within the last 30 days. With this feature, you can also restore recently deleted contacts. Step 1. Open your web browser and navigate to Google Contacts. Make sure you are signed in with the Google account associated with the contacts you want to restore. Step 2. In the right corner, tap on the Settings icon and choose Undo Changes. This option allows you to view and restore deleted contacts. Step 3. Google Contacts allows you to select a specific time frame within which you want to restore your contacts. You can choose to undo changes made in the last 10 minutes, 1 hour, 1 day, 1 week, or a custom time frame. Step 4. After selecting the desired time frame, Google Contacts will display a list of changes made within that period. Review the changes carefully to ensure you are restoring the correct contacts.